Galileo, a rebel with a cause. Galileo was born in Pisa, Italy. He was never married, but he had 2 daughters and a son. As a boy, Galileo wanted to be a monk and studied at the monastery of Vallombrosa. His occupations included being a physicist, philosopher, astronomer, writer and professor. Since 2nd century AD, it was widespread belief that the Earth was the center of the universe and everything revolves around it. This theory is called geocentrism and was established by the Catholic Church. Biblical teachings suggested that the Earth was the center of all of God's creations. So going against this ideology was heresy. Galileo sought to enlighten the scientific community with his controversial view of the solar system. He knew there would be trouble with the Catholic Church, which believed in a geocentric view. His ideas were considered heresy, but he still fought for them to be heard. He continued writing and researching even though he was to live the rest of his life under house arrest. A true rebel never gives up his beliefs. After being tried by the Catholic Church, Galileo was put on house arrest until his death. He was also not allowed to teach his philosophies and his books were banned in the region. Even with all of these harsh punishments, he still wrote books in secret. At least he avoided the proposed punishment of torture. Galileo's ideas were spread throughout the scientific community. His actions and bravery convinced many others to be skeptical of the Catholic Church. The lengths that the Church were willing to go through to prevent his findings from being published were an eye-opener for other scientists. The Catholic Church officially apologized for the matter in 1992. Thank you, Galileo, for standing up for your beliefs in spite of all you were up against. We owe many inventions and progress to your pursuit of science and fact.